We're here at Best Auto Service Center located in Tannersville. Joining me is the owner, Tom Sforza. I got to tell you, Best Auto Service Center does a fantastic job here, and they take care of your cars. Doesn't matter what the year, they know how to work on them. So Tom, let's give everybody an idea out there. What makes Best Auto Service Center different than all the other repair shops?
Well, one of the big things is our warranties, George. We offer 24,000 miles or 24 months nationwide warranty. So no matter what part we put on, the customer is covered no matter where they go. And some of the parts actually have a lifetime warranty.
Wow. With
a 2-year labor warranty. So that really is a big value to the customer, you know, having that.
Tom, tell us about the oil change rewards card. How does that work?
Yes, George. We have this program for the oil change. Every 6th oil change is free. So
Right.
the customer, we give them a card, and every time they come back, we stamp it, and the 6th one is free.
And of course, there's also Best Auto Bucks.
Yes, we have the $5 Best Auto Bucks that we give to customers when they spend a certain amount, and some people get 3, 4 of them at a visit. So it's great for the next service, you know.
Also for repairs, you have financing available.
Yes, we do. We have programs with 0% financing. We have programs if people have bad credit. We even have a program if people have no credit that we can help them out.
That's fantastic. And you have the Best Auto Courtesy Shuttle. Tell us
Yes,
about that.
That's one of the big things too that sets us apart, because if a customer needs to go to work, school, they are going home, we can drop them off and we shuttle them back and forth.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of the guns at once and explode into space.
So that's a sample of the shuttle sing-along. Tom, if people want to hop in the shuttle with you and go for a ride, you're going to take them somewhere, they can choose the song they want to sing?
Absolutely. Whatever they want to sing, we'll have a sing-along.
Great. You can see more of that video, by the way, by going onto our YouTube channel. See the rest of that. Tom, also, it's that time of year where you've got to get the cars repaired for the summer driving season, because summer puts a lot of wear and tear on cars.
Yes, it does, George. So what we recommend is have the wipers checked, hoses and belts, the air conditioning system, the defroster system, your tires. Another thing that's overlooked is the battery. So we can do these pre-checks and make sure the customer is not going to break down and they have a safe vacation.
We're out here in one of the garage areas, and of course, Tommy, I see you have all kinds of great cars that you work on here.
Yeah, the old muscle cars, yep, we do it all.
You also use this thing called digital inspection. You have a tablet for that.
Yes, so our technicians put all their findings on the tablet. So then they send all their findings up to the front counter, and Clark and John will price the job out, and then they send the estimate to the customer. And if there's pictures on it, the pictures go as well, and videos too, because sometimes they'll take videos, so now the customer can see all that. We text them, and we also email them that, so they get in both ways.
Super efficient.
Oh, absolutely. It's like having the customer in the bay.
Right, you know? Exactly. And you need tires, you need brakes. You do it all here at
We
Best
do
Auto.
everything, yes.
We want to encourage everybody to come on down to Best Auto Service Center here in Tannersville. Tom, if people want more information, how do they get it?
Well, they can call us at 570-688-2378, or they can visit us on the web at www.bestautoservicecenter.com, and we're also on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn as well.